Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest with Betterment detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin investing with Betterment, visit their website or download the Betterment app. Create an account by entering your email address and setting a password. Provide some basic personal information, including your name, date of birth, and address. Next, fill out your financial background, including your income and investment goals. Betterment will ask about your risk tolerance. Choose between conservative, moderate, or aggressive investment options based on your preferences. Once your profile is set up, link your bank account to fund your investments. Decide how much money you want to invest initially. You can set up automatic recurring deposits for regular investment contributions. Select your investment strategy, which includes options like a general portfolio or specialized portfolios focused on specific objectives. Review Betterment's recommended portfolio allocations. You can customize your portfolio if you prefer different asset allocations. After confirming your choices, finalize the investment by clicking Confirm or Submit. Monitor your investments through the app or website to track performance. Betterment offers tools and insights to help manage your portfolio effectively. Consider rebalancing options that Betterment provides to maintain your desired asset allocation. Review your investment strategy periodically to ensure it aligns with your financial goals. Take advantage of Betterment's financial planning tools for additional guidance. Stay informed about market trends and how they may impact your investments. Always consider consulting a financial advisor if you need personalized advice. Now you're ready to start your investment journey with Betterment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.